Hello everyone, hope all are fit and fine. Myself, I'm Rakibul Hassan. You may address me as Rakib. Basically, I am from Kumilla, and it's not only a big and old city, also a beautiful city with all of modern facilities. However, I have been living in Dhaka, Agarga for the past 15 years, and now I have completed my bachelor degree from Stanford University, Bangladesh, in civil engineering department. And now I am preparing myself for higher study abroad. And for this reason, now I am a student of English Fantasy. Before coming here, I talked with some of consultancy firm for higher study abroad purpose, and they ensured me without IELTS, or if I have a only MY certificate, they will get me an offer letter within 48 or 72 hours, and they will help me also in embassy. Then I will easily get an visa. But when I search in many university website, I understand that if anyone want to go in abroad for higher study purpose, and if they need to admitted in a good university with a good subject, and also if anyone try to get any scholarship, they must have a good IELTS score. And at the same time, I see some videos in Facebook, and I knew about English Fantasy by watching a video on Facebook. After I come in English Fantasy, then I discuss with them about my planning, and they share their teaching system, and I was very impressed, and I admitted here 4-month basic plus IELTS course. From 5th May to till now, I am a student of English Fantasy, and every day I join in my class. I do my regular homework videos, and I realized one thing. In English Fantasy, all of our teacher is very good. They are very friendly and very supportive to us. And in our classroom, I'm a student of batch 36, and for our batch, a permanent teacher assigned for us, and also a mentor for us. And every day we are come in our class at 8 a.m. in the morning, and all day long we are learn many things and practicing many things. And our mentor, if anyone face any problem, he come to us and solving this one-to-one. And after that, after finishing our class, we go back in our room, and they are also a mentor for us. When we stay in our room, in that place we cannot speak any Bangla word. If we say any Bangla word, we need to pay 10 taka per Bangla word. But there is a rules, you must speak in English. If you do lots of mistakes, it doesn't matter. Our mentor teacher correcting us, and they are pushing us and try to motivate us. And I think English Fantasy is not only institute; it's a place where we learn English with confidence and in also proper way. And the best part is English Fantasy provides us a canteen, also a prayer space. This, I think, that's why I like English Fantasy. And I want to say one thing: if anyone try to learn English, I recommended that you before you admit any coaching center, at least for one time you come in English Fantasy and look our environment, how can they teach us, and after that you make a decision. Best of luck. Thank you all.